Of all the people I know who developed cancer, they ate a lot of vegetables. A lot. I think there's been a study into this connection. The experts sometimes get it wrong for years. They told everyone that a low-fat diet was the best way to lose weight, and now we know that a high-fat, low-carb diet is very effective.
I don't know whether to laugh or cry, and look at the thumbs up. Look at the fucking thumbs up. 46 thumbs up. There's people out there that believe vegetables cause cancer. This comment comes from Furious Pete's video yesterday calling veganism a cult.
First of all, fuck vegans and their little stupid ass beliefs. Second of all, fuck all those gay faggots that wish death upon you. God will punish them for thinking such evil things.
It then went on people just flaming the guy because he's so fucking stupid. He actually had 2 thumbs up either way. Sickening.
Yes, I do believe in him, and I'm not the only one that kills animals. I only consume them to live. And if we didn't create animals for us to eat, then what's their purpose? Just sit around and overpopulate? No, they were created for us to eat. I'm no longer going to waste my time arguing with ignorant people.
Next comment was found on a Tim Sheaf video talking about veganism and how it doesn't affect his ability when it comes to sports and everything. Look, strong is one thing, but our vegans are less aggressive and lack that somewhat cool a glow. It's a healthy, natural glow people are supposed to have. Usually it's represented in pale lips. He is doing some pretty impressive things physically, but I'm telling you, there's a natural and healthy aggression lacking in vegans, and missing that aggression manifests itself in this lack of glow. If you want to be all you can be, eat some fish or chicken now and again. In fact, watch the video again and look to see if the person lacks that glow.
Are you Gary? Are you insane? That's exactly what you need with strong bones.